the oil spill in the city. After hauling rocks out of the cave and completing its delivery, the heavy truck leaves the mining area and heads toward the city. Suddenly, the truck slightly loses control and crashes into a barrel. Oil bursts out and spreads across the street. Gradually cleared. In a busy city, a single careless moment can cause major chaos. A garbage truck rescue full of friendship. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and the sunshine gently lights up the busy road. All the vehicles are happily driving along, full of energy and joy. The garbage truck is working hard when it suddenly hits a big rock. Oh no! The garbage truck loses balance and falls into a pile of trash by the road. A truck passing by sees the accident and feels very worried. The truck quickly drives away to find other vehicles to help the garbage truck. Soon, many other vehicles arrive. They work together, pulling hard and lifting the garbage truck back onto the road. Let me help you get clean. Cool water sprays out, washing away all the dirt from the garbage truck. Yahoo! Whoa! Oh! Rescuing the police car lost in the snowy forest. On the phone screen, the police car's location blinks weakly, then freezes in the middle of the white wilderness.
Go, go, go!
Without hesitation, the rescue truck and fire truck set off through the heavy snowfall.
me!
What?
Inside the cave,
Help me!
the police car
Help
is
me!
trapped between rocks and ice.
Sir, yes, sir!
In the harsh winter, teamwork brings everyone safely home. The police car and the secret treasure map. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and the sunshine fills the road. The police car is happily driving while patrolling the street. Suddenly, oh no! The police car bumps into a strange object lying on the road. It's an old treasure map with mysterious symbols. Everyone is excited to join the adventure. The vehicles travel together into the lush green jungle. Suddenly, the police car stops. On the map, a big red X appears right in front of them. All the vehicles cheer happily. No matter what the treasure is, this is truly an amazing adventure.
The Surprise Hero by the Park Gate.
The police gift mission.
Sir, yes, sir.
Incident in the storm.
Okay.
The yellow race car gets all muddy. Luckily, the fire truck comes to help.
Hello, hey!
Thank you very much.
water plop.
Go, go, go!
Go! Chemical leak on the road. Police spot it and the fire truck cleans it up.
Two hours later.
An interesting day in the forest. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and the sunshine is warm. In the green forest, the cargo truck and the hook truck are happily getting ready to collect wood. The cargo truck carefully stacks the bundles of wood, while the hook truck lifts and hooks the big logs. They work together very hard. Suddenly, because of the intense heat, the straw dust catches fire. The flames grow quickly. Oh no! There's a fire! The cargo truck shouts in panic. The cargo truck throws a bundle of wood into the fire to put it out. But, oh no! The fire becomes even bigger than before. Up in the sky, the patrol vehicle is flying when it spots the fire. The patrol vehicle quickly flies over and sprays water to put out the fire. In no time, the flames are gone and the road is safe again. What an interesting and unforgettable day. Falling tree in the storm. The race car is stuck and the rescue team arrives. truck's windy day. Oh.
Pop.
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Help! Help! Help!
Oh no! Oh, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Yes.
Huh? Pop.
Let's go.
Pop.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Huh? Huh?
Huh? Oh. Huh?
Oh!
Huh?
Okay.
The traffic light that wouldn't rest. Late afternoon, traffic thins at a small intersection. The traffic light keeps switching colors. Night falls. The road is quiet. Everything seems asleep. The traffic light flickers rapidly. Red, yellow, green, too fast.
Okay, let's go!
The traffic light finally gets some rest. Battle with the giant energy vortex. Teamwork day at the gas station. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and the sunshine gently lights up the busy gas station. Many vehicles are lining up neatly, waiting for their turn to refuel. Suddenly, from a distance, a vehicle has a problem. Oil spills all over the road. Other vehicles cheer and help together. Oh, what a fun and meaningful day at the gas station! 5 fire at the gas station. On a scorching hot day at the gas station, the fuel hose leaks. Drops of fuel fall onto the concrete, forming a spreading puddle. A piece of trash floats in the wind and slowly falls into the fuel puddle. A small flame ignites from the fuel puddle. Just moments away from a major disaster. The brave rescue of the vehicles. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and warm sunlight shines down on the busy road. All the vehicles are driving smoothly, feeling happy and full of energy. Suddenly, the volcano that has been sleeping for a long time begins to shake. Boom! The volcano erupts and glowing lava flows down onto the road. Some vehicles cannot escape in time and run into trouble. At that moment, the rescue team quickly arrives. Fire trucks, rescue trucks, and police cars work together to clear a safe path. One by one, the vehicles are pulled out of danger. The lava is blocked, and the road slowly becomes safe again. In the end, all the vehicles are safe. Everyone feels happy and thankful to the brave rescue team. It has been a truly unforgettable day. Slippery tires in the rain.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, huh?
Oh!
Huh?
The garbage truck can't swim! The Daytime Apple Heist. Under the bright daytime sun, the apple orchard is full of fruit. A police car patrols past the orchard. Its suspicious gaze stops at the truck's full cargo. Startled, the truck speeds away. The police car turns on its lights and gives chase. The truck drives a long distance with no police in sight. Suddenly, crash! The truck slams into a rope stretched across the road. No matter how fast you run, justice always has a trap waiting. The shadow in the silent night. Late at night, the quiet street glows under dim streetlights. The police car patrols slowly. Suddenly, a strange noise echoes from a dark alley. In the dim light, a shadowy vehicle struggles to pull something heavy. Crash! A pile of logs suddenly collapses onto a truck. One of its wheels is trapped tightly inside the wooden pile. Its strong hook lowers down, ready to pull the truck free. The missing bucket of fish on the frozen lake. On a quiet frozen lake, a small truck is fishing. pulled out one by one. The bucket quickly fills up. Snow begins to fall softly. The air grows colder. Oh no! The bucket of fish is slipping away! The bucket of fish slid farther and farther away, disappearing into the cold snow. An adventure on the cruise ship. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is clear and blue, and the sunshine is bright. Everyone is on a big cruise ship, enjoying a wonderful trip on the sea. Some people are taking photos, capturing amazing moments. Others are happily swimming in the cool water. Laughter fills the cruise ship. Suddenly, crack! Strange noise is heard. A water pipe inside the cruise ship breaks, and water starts leaking everywhere. More and more water flows in. The cruise ship slowly starts to sink. Everyone feels scared and worried. At that moment, the brave fire truck rushes in. It firmly attaches to the cruise ship and brings professional repair tools. Everyone is safe and very happy. They all clap and thank the fire truck. What a fun and unforgettable trip! The frozen tire on a snowy day. On a winter day, snow blankets a quiet suburban road. The air is still, broken only by tires rolling softly over the icy surface. Air leaks out fast. The car is forced to stop on the empty road. passes. Snow falls heavier. The road remains completely empty. Just then, a fire truck passes by and slows down after spotting the stranded car. The fire truck examines the flat tire and pauses to think. In the freezing air, the water quickly turns to ice, covering the tire. Elsewhere, deep inside a snow-covered forest. Oh no, something doesn't seem right. It looks like the police car has gotten lost deep in the snowy forest. The delivery at the ocean floor. Today, a cargo truck receives a rare mission, delivering supplies to the deep ocean floor. Suddenly, a powerful ocean current strikes. The vehicle shakes violently. A heavy impact. The cargo truck is trapped in a deep pit, wrapped in thick seaweed. In the distance, a submarine appears. Inside the cockpit, a police vehicle is in control, scanning the scene. After the incident in the deep ocean, the cargo truck continues its journey. Water tanker trouble in the city. The rescue team springs into action. A fun day at the construction site. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is clear and bright at the construction site. All the vehicles are happily starting their work. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete into a big bowl, but it is so busy working that it forgets to put up a warning sign. The cement mixer truck is pouring concrete into a big bowl, but it is so busy working that it forgets to put up a warning sign. The construction vehicles quickly come to help. Finally, the police car is pulled out safely. Everyone smiles happily. It's truly a fun day at the construction site.